guys, it's your girl BB here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So y'all, for today's video I have an accessory haul. It's really just one piece of accessory, but anyways guys, this is I don't even remember what this was. I had this for a while and I couldn't record because of some technical issues, but yeah, this accessory here that I don't know what it is, that I'm gonna open up and figure out what it is because I forgot, is by Diamoda jewelry. This is the little box that it came in. And guys, if I'm not mistaken, I think this was a ring. I think this was a ring. I forgot what accessory I chose, but so here we are. So I'm gonna open the box up so we can see what is in here because I'm excited. I'm excited to see, you know, how the accessory looks and everything. So I'm taking off the little thingy here. Okay, so when you first open the box, it looks like this. This is actually blush. Like it's blush. It kind of looks white on camera, but anyways guys, it is blush. And at the front it says Diamoda, www.diamoda.com, and inside of it there's another, you know, like it's a little packet, and it's basically the usual. It tells you how to return, exchange. If you have an issue, you can chat, tell, you know, call on the phone or email. It has the little polishing cloth right here. And then this is, if you were to gift it to someone, you can actually just write their name on this. This is cute, yeah, I like this. And I love the color, y'all. This is like such a pretty color. It looks more rose gold than blush now. I don't know, y'all. I guess I'm colorblind. But yeah guys, so then once that comes off, then you have this here. And I was right, it is a ring. Okay, so when you take it out, this is what it looks like. Their packaging is really cute, like it's super cute. Look at this. I don't know why I think this is so cute. Look at it. I think that's so cute because it's like, it's just cute. And then when you open it up, the ring is not already in there. It comes in, you know, this little thing right here. So now I remember exactly what I got. I got this from the engagement ring side, and this is like, I thought this was so cute. The one I actually wanted, they didn't have my size in, but you know, this was an alternative. So it's actually 2 pieces. Okay, 2 pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the box so you guys can see what it would look like if you decided to propose to your girlfriend. It would look like this. Is like, it's cute. Okay, let me put it in there. I really hope this fit, y'all, because I don't know why, but I'm getting chunky, and it's like every month my ring size change. And this is how this one looks. Y'all, I really like this, and the fact that it fits me so perfect is making me feel so much better about my life right now. Look at it. It's the cutest thing ever. It's adorable. I love it. So now this is how it's supposed to look together. Oh, I can take this tag off now because it fits. So I'm definitely not going to be returning this. So let me take off the tag and give you guys a close-up of what it looks like. But y'all, so far this is super cute. I really like this. And the fact that it fits my fingers perfectly, like it's not too big, it's not too small, it's literally the perfect size, and I just love it. Okay, here. If you want it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you want it, then you should have put a ring on it. Look at that. Am I even putting it on the right way? I think I am. Yep, I think I am. Yes, guys, so this is how it looks. It's super cute. I love it so much. Like, I promise, I really love this. This is adorable. I love it so much. And it's the fact that it's so simple, and I've gotten an accessory before that was so like extra. I really love simple accessory, but I always choose, you know, extra ones. But this is adorable. Like, I love this. And it looks really good. It does not look cheap whatsoever. I'm going to give you guys a close-up so you can see. It does not look cheap whatsoever. It is not heavy, but you know that there's a ring on your finger. It's like, it's just really cute. Yeah, guys, overall, I love this. I would definitely recommend this to any and everybody. Get this for somebody because it's the cutest ring ever. You need to get this for somebody. And I do have a discount code that I will be leaving on the screen for you guys. So if you decide to buy it, you can get some money off. It's already pretty affordable. Like, I don't think this was over $200. It's really, really pretty. I love it so much. And I don't want to take it off. This is cute. I like this, okay? But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it for this video. I definitely recommend Diamoda jewelry, so definitely check them out. Check the link in the description. If you're looking for this exact same ring, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. But yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.